There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey, yo, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? What's up? Girl A back. Okay, so first of all, we about to do this little swatchity swatch try on by She Glam. Now, if y'all don't know, I really do like She Glam makeup. Girl, they are affordable. Plus, they are animal cruelty free. So about y'all, but I love anything that's animal cruelty free. And I love the aesthetics of She Glam. So today's video, okay, we got 8 of their newest blushes, which is their liquid blush. And I love the whole concept. I love the packaging. I love the fact that they include their colors right on the top of the box. Plus, on top of that, girl, She Glam has a new makeup brush just especially curated for the liquid blushes, which is the Color Bloom Liquid Blush Brush. Now, my last brush that I had from them, which is their foundation brush, works seamless, girl. When I say effortlessly, especially right along with their perfect foundation. This is what I was talking about. Clear handle, which is really nice, like a clear frosted handle. I love the brush cut, which is some paws. This is really, really cute, and I love the light pink color. They sent me 8 of these blushes, and I'm not going to apply them all to my cheeks, but I will be applying them to my hands, and the one that I choose to wear is the one that I'm going to put on my cheeks. Let's get into the swatching real quick. Okay, so the first one we're going to start off with is the pinks, and this is called Pink Slip. Love Cake. On Point. This one is called On Call. Coral Glow. Candy Apple. Fine Wine. Lilac Dream. Okay, so the one that I'm going to use for my face is going to be the Love Cake, only because I really don't have that much makeup on my face. I just have my brows done, you know, my lashes, and some of this tinted gloss. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try out this one. I mean, I could also go with the Fine Wine, which is like this brownish tone, and it'll definitely give me like a glow in the contours. Let's try out Fine Wine. Okay, girl, look, this is the look that I came up with this blush. Now, this Fine Wine, baby, it looks like it's more or less like a dark brown or like a medium brown, but it's coming off like fine wine. And I love it that it gives me like this flushed red cheek look. So this was definitely a winner for me, especially because I don't really have that much makeup on. So I really didn't want to do the bright pink, but this right here, okay. So check out She Glam's new liquid blush. This brush is definitely a winner, very soft and evenly distributes and layers the blush, which is definitely great. I always use like a sponge to kind of like do my liquid blush, but this works great with it. And then I just topped it off with some of She Glam's cream concealer in the color Warm Vanilla, just to get rid of that line of demarcation. So these are the 8 that was sent to me, and I haven't used them yet. So let's just test out these new Lip Pocket Lip Jams. So the first color that we have right here is in the color called Sugar Swirl. Let me just get this lip stain off and drink some water. Okay, so this one is Sugar Swirl, and this is what it's looking like. This is the actual aesthetic of the packaging. Push in this little button right here, pull it out, open up your top. Not bad. I like this concept. If you don't want to get your fingers dirty, then you have this little kind of like silicone scooper that you can use to place the product on your lip. So this is Sugar Swirl, really basically a clear color. Fig Flirt. Strawberry Splash. Apricot Top. Guava Glow. Watermelon Whirl. Dragon Fruit Dew. And last is Cocoa Cream. So they're really nice. I do like the hydration. I do like the feel of them. They're not sticky. They're not like gloss. They're like more like a lip balm. I do like the little bit of tint of color that it gives you. So if you're really going for like that natural nude look, your natural lip color, then this might just be for you. As far as the silicone little spoon scooper, at first I was a little bit taken aback because it really does work, but you have to be very mindful. Don't scoop up too much, girl, because you will have a glob of it real quick on the actual applicator. I prefer to use my fingers, but that's great if you don't want to, or you may be in a public setting where you don't have anywhere to wipe your hands on. So I think that these little scoopers are definitely good for that. They're very compact, definitely purse friendly, girl. So check out She Glam's, their newest lip jellies. They're Hydra Jelly Pocket Lip Balms. So I'll link everything down below for you guys. Plumping lip liners. Girl, when I tell y'all I love this product, I absolutely love this product. I've been actually using one of these colors for like a couple of weeks now, and I really didn't think the lip liner was a plumper. I really thought it was the gloss, but girl, it's in the lip liner. Okay, so this is the lip liner that I've been using, and this is the new She Glam Bold Booster Plump Lip Liner. So the color that I've been using is Mocha Muse, and I do have like about 8 of them in the actual liners and 8 of them in the plumpers, the gloss that come with it. So they're just basically, you know, doing your own little lip combo. And y'all know I've been into lip combos lately. My daughter Tati has been teaching me how to do these lip combos, bringing me to the store. So I really do like this lip liner. Like, it's a retractable pencil, so you ain't really got to worry about no sharpener. You could just bring her with you, put her in your purse, and you definitely good to go. Plus, it goes on smooth, and it actually lasts for like some hours. Like, what I mean last, like, you know, I do like to be drinking my water, okay, during the daytime, and a girl do still want to be cute. So this definitely lasts a little bit, okay? So no need for no quick retouch-ups. So I'm not about to put all of them on my lips, but I am going to put the final one that I decided to pair with on my lips, okay? So we're going to start off with Mocha Muse, which I absolutely love. Then we're going to go with the Blush Hour. Next, we're going to go in with Cocoa Crush. Next, we're going to go in with Berry Bold. We're going to spice it up with Spice It Up. Let's tone it down a little bit with Peach Please. A little bit of pink in your life with Pink Slip. And last but not least is Barely There. we're gonna go into the lip glosses. She Glam Bold Booster Lip Plumper. And this is in the color Honey Glaze. Cherry Gleam. We're going to go in with a Latte Luxe. Latte Luxe. Rose Veil. Rose Veil. Blush Drizzle. Berry Spritz. Strawberry Fields. And last but not least is Toffee Kiss. So this is all of the Plumper Blues Plumper glosses. I'm gonna do is Blush Hour. Blush Hour was like a nice color. This is like a very pretty brown. Let's see, Blush Hour. And when you put the lip liner on, you can feel it tingling. Okay, we're gonna do the Rose Veil lip gloss. Now, I do like the tingling feeling. It's like a spearminty, like kind of minty type of tingling feeling. That's the only way I could describe it. Like, it feels like a minty type of tingling, and it feels good. Does it plump up my lips? I'm really not sure. Do I notice any difference in the way my lips look? But I do like the colors that they have, and they're really easy to apply. Plus, you can definitely feel the actual lip liner tingling as soon as you put it on. So you definitely want to check out She Glam's new lip liners and lip plumpers. They're definitely something that you may want to get in your collection. Just lo and behold, know this, it's going to take you some turns to get it up and started. So I'll link everything down below. Let me know what you thought of these colors, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.